Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the train service in Jamaica. Now, the government is trying to start back up the train service. Jamaica had one of the first railway train services in the Western Hemisphere, and today we don't have any passenger trains running. We have some freight trains running and we have some trains that carry students. Now, this is the old Harbour train station. It's literally abandoned. If you look inside, it's an building just which used for storage. There are literally goats running up and down. And do you know that the train runs on this track? The train runs on this track. Now, I think one thing is certain. Jamaica will never have an island-wide train service again. It's going to be too expensive, and you have other options of traveling from, say, Kingston to Port Antonio or Kingston to Clarendon, etc. But what is needed is a train service for Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town. That is where you find the majority of Jamaica's population. That is where you find the busiest roads. Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. It takes you from Kingston to Portmore and Spanish Town. With Bernard Lodge being built out, 15,000 new homes, we need the train service to run in that area. Now, when you look at the JUTC site, it has on it bus and rail service for Jamaica. Jamaica Railway Corporation owns these tracks, owns the land that these tracks are on. So, and the tracks are being used. There is a train service from Old Harbour to Spanish Town, and I think Bogwalk or Linstead to Spanish Town. So the lines are active. What we need is to tear down these old outdated train stations and build new buildings, and the government doesn't even have to do it. They can lease them out to the private sector, and people can build. Just as an example, you could build a fast food restaurant here, and on the other side is the train track. Something like, if you look at the train stations in other countries, they're massive. You have stores in them, those kind of things. There is so much potential. But the cost to build or get the train running from, say, Kingston to Port Antonio, it's not worth it. Places like Kingston to Westmoreland, it's not worth it. It's going to be too expensive, and I don't know if the demand is there to make back the money to set up the train for that distance. Although the tracks are there already. But to move people from Kingston to Portmore to Spanish Town would definitely be a better option. So guys, what do you think? And you don't have to lay any new tracks. The tracks are there. The train stations are in downtown Kingston. The tracks run into it. These are the tracks. They're active. And trains travel on them every day. Well, I don't know about since school is out, but when school is in session. And one thing I can say, which is a great surprise to me, is that the trains run on time. We're going to come out here, and when schools start back, and we're going to show you the train. Well, we have videos up of the train coming in, and it arrives on time. There is no bus in Jamaica that runs on time. There is no taxi that runs on time. This runs on time. That building, demolish it and build something new. Not everything that's built in the 1800s is a historic site. Some things are outdated and need to go. So guys, let us know what you think about setting up the train service from Kingston to Portmore to Spanish Town. And then you can include other areas, but those are the busiest areas in Jamaica. And even if you just do Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Catherine, that would help a great deal in the movement of people through those parishes. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And another service that will do well is they're trying to set up a tourist train service to take you from Montego Bay to Appleton Estate. Now that probably will do well because tourists will use those trains. Also, if they had a train from Montego Bay to Duns River Falls, that would definitely do well. I don't know if they have such a line still active though between Montego Bay and St. Anne. I'm not sure if there is any such line. Also, Kingston to Montego Bay would probably do well. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.